Hello, welcome to the demo of our next feature, which is the Canary release. Here, using a proxy and load balancer server, we are routing 20% of traffic to the Canary server and remaining entire traffic to the production server. So to start with the demo, let us run the proxy server YAML playbook. This playbook will install and start the proxy server required for Canary demonstration. Now, as you can see, the execution of the YAML playbook is complete and the proxy server is running. Now let us go to this production directory and let us make a small change in the Git repo. Now let us add this change and let us commit this change. Next step would be to configure the remote repository for Canary. Now that is done, let us just push the changes to Canary master. With this, the build of the job should be triggered. As you can see, the build for Checkboxio Canary has started. Let us see the console output and we can see the playbook is running. We can see that the build is successful. Now let us go to the proxy server IP and let us refresh this. We can see that the app is loaded. Now we'll go to researchers tab and we'll go to some more routes. Now let us go to the proxy server node and check the output. We can see that almost all the requests are routed to the production server and only few of them are routed to the Canary server as per our requirement. Now the next part is to demonstrate an alert. So in this case, our alert is shutting down of the Canary server. So let us just terminate this Canary server. It will take a while. So we can see that this particular instance is stopped. So now we again go to the proxy server URL and we can see that there is no error and we can get to the application because of the production server. Now we'll go back to the proxy server node and we'll check the output again to find the alert log. Here we can see that an error has occurred and an alert has been raised, and we can also observe that after this all the requests are delegated to the 111 server, that is the production server. So this demonstrates the Canary release.